Yep, time to take off the wheels and see my new rotors, new bearings, new calipers, brake hose I put on in Durango, Colorado, and a broken grease fitting on the lower ball joint. Look at that, busted off inside. So I sprayed it with brake parts cleaner, buy one get one free. I stuck in an easy out that I bought on eBay for half price, regular 75, I think I paid 25, and there it goes. One busted off grease fitting. All the little things that are wrong with a truck. Yep. There was a missing bolt that goes from the engine mount to the transmission torque converter cover plate. I put the bolt in. I greased the sliding front drive shaft, and I changed the oil in Durango, and all these little things. Now I gotta make an exhaust pipe bracket. The resonator has been taken off and the pipe's rubbing on the frame. I got a piece of wood in there now to support it, and I gotta make a bracket because nobody got me one from a junkyard. Ugh, I'm trying to get up. I'm like a beached whale, and I need some grease fittings. Lots of metrics. No more 90-degree SAEs. 90-degree Zerk fitting. Quarter 28 thread. Quarter inch, 28 threads per inch. Gotta love SAE system. The guy told me it had new Bilstein shocks. Those were on it when he bought it. Those aren't new. This is new. They didn't even grind down the back of the wheel, get the corrosion off so it sits properly against the hub. Shame, shame, shame. Didn't put any grease on here, so you're getting a little corrosion. Anyhow, new brakes, new rotors. Anti-lock brake bracket wasn't installed. I'll fix it up. I'll take care of it. I'll make it like new. Now I'm gonna find a fitting to go in here. Guess I got enough of them, huh? Think it's easy to thread things in with your wrong hand? Amazing, huh? Bring it to a shop, they put all kinds of new parts on and just ignore things like a grease fitting. What's a stinking little grease fitting anyways? So that's where I come in here. I'll fix it. I'll tighten that up. Splash shield was missing. Made it easier to work on the starter, if you recall, in Palm Springs. So these bolts are tight. Everything's all greased up. Cotter keys are all in place. I bled the brakes and put some anti-seize on the bleeder, which was getting corroded. Yep. Now I'm going to take the corrosion off the inside of the mag wheel. I gotta put my mask on. Aluminum dust, not good for the old braineroo. Yep, a few more things to put together. Get her done. I bolted the receiver dryer on. The clamp was just unceremoniously yanked off, so I put the bolt in the back, and let me tell you, that was a chore. It took 3 hands. One to hold the handle of the ratchet, one to guide it, and one to push the bracket together. And anyways, I got it in. All these little things. Oh, I got the air conditioning hose clamp just lying here, broken. What else is new? All kinds of little things to fix up. Lined up the clamps. I like to do that. Make sure they orient properly. I got to put the heat shield on and da 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 da. We'll get her done. Okay, back to my wheel. I got my dust mask.